Hello all, my name is Nikara Asai, an immigration consultant, and
Hi, I'm Mika Fukuyama. I'm case processing manager, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
today we're going to discuss about things to do upon arrival in Canada. When you think about you arriving in Canada as either a temporary status or a permanent resident, you might be exciting to begin your new life, but probably at the same time you might feel anxious about where to start settling yourself down. Here are the most 4 essential tips to do upon arriving in Canada.
So point 1, apply for your social insurance number. We can say this is the most important things to do before start working inside Canada. So please don't forget about this. But you might wonder what the social insurance number is. Well, we also call it SIN number, and this is a 9-digit unique number given to everyone by the government to access various government benefits or programs. So for applying your SIN number, you can do it either online, by mail, or even in person at the Service Canada office, and you can find it various locations inside Canada. And also, you have to have your Canadian residential address, and you need to have some documentation to prove it. And this is also another very important thing to know, but you should be very responsible and protect your SIN number. Because I heard we have a lot of frauds going on these days, asking about your SIN number even over the phone.
That's right.
Yeah. So if you give your SIN number, they can access all of your information. So to protect yourself, please do not tell anyone unofficially.
Point 2 is your healthcare card. If you're a permanent resident or a temporary resident, you may apply for public health insurance. Having that, you don't have to pay for most healthcare services, and every province and territory in Canada have its own insurance program, and you need to apply for a health insurance card from the province you live in to get healthcare, and you should show this card each time you get any kind of medical services. In the province we're located, British Columbia, we have MSP, which stands for Medical Service Plan, that pays for required medical services. And government health insurance plans usually give you access to basic medical services such as services provided by physicians, midwives, dental and oral surgery performed in a hospital, eye examination if that's medically required, and some other services. However, you may need private insurance to pay for things that government plans don't fully cover, such as prescription medications, dental care, physiotherapy, ambulance services. One point is that if you work, you may get extra coverage from the company or organization you work for. This is something additional to MSP.
And point 3 is setting up your bank account and apply for a credit card. If you're starting your new life in overseas, probably the major concern will be managing your finance. In Canada, we have major banks such as TD Bank, RBC, Scotiabank, CIBC, HSBC, or BMO. And the good news is most of these institutions offer a great deal for newcomers. So if you think about opening up your new account, all you need to do is to gather as much information as you can. And for most of people, English is not a first language. So if you are not confident in understanding this banking system, but don't worry about it too much, because you might be able to find someone who can translate into your language in some of their branches. So you can always ask them for the translator. And also, if you have an employment with one of them, don't forget to ask about your credit card, because it can be always a good practice to pay your bills on your credit card to build a good credit history. Because with your credit history, that helps you to take a loan for your house, car, or even when you want to start a new business inside Canada.
And the final point is buying a local SIM card. Of course, like any other country, we have various mobile networks in Canada. We have major providers such as TELUS, Bell, Rogers and Fido. If you buy a SIM card, the service provider usually offer different plans which include calls, text messages, data plans, and most of the time these 3 are included in one plan. From time to time they have great deals, so that is a good idea to ask the provider if they have any promotion going on. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any other questions, please leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification for next videos.
So if you want to know about more information like today's tips, please just leave us a comment or feedback and we will upload next video. See you next time.